Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use hyperlinks in PowerPoint. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and navigate to the presentation where you want to add hyperlinks. Next, go to the slide with the text you want to hyperlink. Highlight the text by clicking and dragging over it. Now, go to the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of PowerPoint. Click the Link option, then select Insert Link from the menu that appears. In the dialog box, paste or type the URL you want the text to link to. You can link to a website, another slide, a document, or even an email address. Once you've confirmed the link is correct, click OK. Your text is now hyperlinked. And that's it. You've successfully added a hyperlink to your PowerPoint presentation, making it more interactive and engaging. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.